Hey guys, imagine this. You're on a long flight, bored out of your mind, and instead of doom scrolling, you pull out something the size of a small power bank from your pocket, snap your phone on magnetically, hit one button, and boom, a full console-grade controller slides out like magic. Mind-blowing portability meets serious gaming power. That's exactly what the MCON delivers, and after weeks of heavy use in 2026, I'm convinced it's the first truly mobile controller that actually covers all of my gaming needs. Alright, let's dive right in. It's hard to believe it's been over 2 years since this sliding magnetic beast first popped up in a viral YouTube video, back when it was super Apple focused. Fast forward to now, and MCON has evolved into something way bigger. It still rocks those MagSafe magnets, which work great on iPhones and now Pixels with Qi too. But the real star is that PSP Go style slider. Press the big button on top, and the controls literally fly out. It startled me the first time. No joke. The force is insane, so make sure you've got a solid magnetic case, or use the included array sticker. I learned the hard way with a weak third-party case. My phone almost went flying across the room. This thing is a marvel of engineering. Out of the box, it looks like a screenless phone or a chunky battery pack. Nothing screams gaming controller until you deploy it. That means it slips into any pocket or bag without needing a case. I've tossed it in my backpack with keys, chargers, everything, and it comes out unscathed. The build quality is rugged, premium materials, tough as nails. But yeah, it's heavy for its size. We're talking noticeably chunkier than your average phone, which makes sense with all mechanics inside. Functionally, it's a Bluetooth controller that pairs instantly with Android, iOS, even PC, or whatever. The magnetic puck is thick enough to clear even the biggest camera bumps, and you can rotate it vertical for DS-style emulation or portrait games. The backplate detaches completely to become a kickstand. Honestly, one of my favorite ways to play. Prop your phone up on a table, detach the controls, and chill in tabletop mode. Snapping it back together feels like legit magic, though I still get that "am I gonna break it?" moment every time. Now the inputs. The sticks are heavily recessed, but have surprisingly good range and feel precise. No drift issues thanks to the high-quality TMR tech. Buttons are responsive, quiet, and clicky, perfect for late-night sessions next to someone sleeping. The D-pad is a dome switch style. Not a ton of pivot, but diagonals register fine for retro stuff. The flip-out grips on the back are a game-changer for comfort. They lock open to give you that ergonomic hold, reducing hand strain during long sessions. Without them, the sticks feel crammed in the middle, but pop them out and it transforms. One downside: they're stiff to deploy, and there's this weird empty space when they're stowed that you feel while holding it. My biggest gripe? The shoulder buttons and triggers. They're tiny, like really small and short. The whole setup is top-heavy, so my fingers have to scrunch up to reach them, while also supporting the phone's weight. As a self-proclaimed aging dad gamer, this gets uncomfortable fast in intense games. The triggers are a bit better, slightly larger, but still not ideal. Despite that, I powered through tough titles like Dead Cells, and even some streaming runs of Silk Song via GameHub. It's not as comfy as a big telescopic controller, but the insane portability puts it in a completely different league. So where does MCON shine? Controller-supported mobile games, Genshin Impact, Destiny. Rising, touch controls are history for me now. Game streaming, Xbox Cloud Gaming, Steam Link, Moonlight, transformative. Full inputs make a huge difference, whether attached or in tabletop mode. Emulation, I ditched my old touch setup entirely. It's great for PS2, Switch, whatever your phone can handle. Vertical mode for DS is cool in theory, but the weight balance sucks and touch-heavy games force you to let go. Not practical. I'd still grab a dedicated RGDS for that. For travel, it's perfect on flights or long trips. It's a bit too bulky for everyday pocket carry compared to ultra-compact options, but way less embarrassing than whipping out a full gaming handheld on a train. I feel like a secret agent sliding this thing open. Now, value in 2026. This is where it gets real. The official MSRP for the original MCON is $149.99 straight from the OhSnap site, And that's what most folks are paying right now for the standalone unit. There was a small $5 pre-order discount back when it launched, but shipping started in January. So current batches are at full price, around $144 to $150, depending on the exact drop. Bundles with the optional TV dock jump it up to $199 or more, which adds that sweet HDMI mirroring for bigger screen play. On major platforms like Amazon or Best Buy, availability is still ramping up. So stock can be spotty, but when it's in, it hovers right around that $150 mark with no big discounts yet. Maybe minor flash sales dropping it to $140-ish at best. No massive deals popping up frequently since it's still fresh post-launch. Compared to alternatives? Yeah, it's on the pricey side. The absolute M4 is way more affordable, often under $50 now that crowdfunding wrapped. Super compact and solid for D-pad or retro games, but its sticks and overall build don't quite match MCON's premium analog feel for serious action titles. For better comfort and ergonomics, telescopic controllers dominate the value game. The backbone one often hits $99 to $100 on deals. The GameSir G8 Plus frequently drops to $70 to $80 on sales. And even premium ones like the Backbone Pro sit around $170, but deliver way more hand-friendly sessions without the weight or tiny shoulders. If you're deep into phone gaming, cloud native emulation, and hate carrying extra gear, MCON's versatility makes it worth the premium. It's the most unique, over-engineered mobile controller out there, and nothing else combines this level of portability with full controls quite like it. But in 2026, with CES announcing the MCON Lite and Slim variants coming later this year, expected $60 plus range, more compact fixes, plus tons of competition heating up, is the original still a good buy? For me, yes. If you want the premium sliding magic and don't mind the price, it's still the king of truly pocketable full-featured controllers. It's the last mobile controller you'll need, until those new ones drop. Maybe, if you're on a budget or prioritize comfort over ultimate portability, grab a telescopic deal or wait for the Lite or Slim. What do you think? Would you drop $150 on this beast? Drop a comment below. Smash that like if you're tempted, and subscribe for more deep dive mobile gaming gear. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.